Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy diagrams. Mastering anatomy diagrams can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes much easier. We'll cover essential strategies to help you understand and retain complex anatomical information. Our goal is to transform your learning experience, making it more efficient and less overwhelming. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to confidently tackle any anatomy diagram you encounter, improving your retention by many times. To truly learn, active recall is key. Instead of just looking, try drawing and labeling diagrams from memory. This reinforces your understanding significantly. Flashcards are excellent for quick review, allowing you to test yourself on specific structures and their roles. Consider using mnemonics, like creating a memorable phrase, to link complex terms or sequences. These methods can boost your retention by over 50%, making your study time more productive and enjoyable. Leverage a variety of resources to enhance your learning. Interactive online atlases offer dynamic, three-dimensional perspectives, allowing you to rotate and explore structures from every angle. Textbooks provide foundational knowledge and detailed descriptions that complement visual learning. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Study groups can clarify difficult concepts and offer new insights. Combining these resources can improve your comprehension by a factor of 2 or 3, solidifying your anatomical knowledge. Consistent practice is crucial for long-term retention. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, to revisit diagrams and concepts. Connect each anatomical structure to its specific function within the body. This contextual understanding deepens your learning. Finally, apply your knowledge to practical situations, like analyzing a medical image or discussing a clinical case. This active application can increase your understanding by up to 75%, making your learning truly stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.